I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. What have I become? My sweetest friend, and you could have it all.